What's up everybody, Brian here with SLG Concrete Coatings, here at another commercial pool deck job here on the beautiful Central Coast in Shell Beach. Today we are at the Spyglass Inn. We're actually becoming quite well known for doing all the beachfront pool decks. Well, let's just be honest, we're good like that. we appreciate everyone for having us out to you know, do some nice restorations and make their pool decks look better during their off seasons. It's becoming quite a regular thing for us and we love it. So yeah, let's go take a look at what this pool deck looks like. The guys I think are top coating right now, and go from there. God, I love the Central Coast. It's beautiful out right now. It's amazing. All right, let's go. And after top coat, huge difference. Client selected Dolerite on this one. Let's see if we can get a quick interview answered.
What do you want to know?
What do you think of the pool deck?
I like it.
It looks rad up against that wood color.
Yeah, and I like the stem wall there.
Yeah, no, it looks beautiful. So I believe this one was 1,664 square feet. And it had its complications, like most commercial pool decks do, but guys were able to sort it all out and get it all taken care of, and now it just looks immaculate. And they're still needing to do a seal on the coping, but that will be after the top coat's all cured up. But it looks beautiful. It looks great. They always do a great job. So there's really no need for us to stick around and wait for them to completely finish, because I'll throw in some photos in there and show you guys what's up after it's all been said and done. With that, we are going to go ahead and head on out, and then we'll see you on the next one. So thanks for coming along as usual. Tell your friends, subscribe, like, comment on the videos. We love hearing from you guys. You got any questions, call the office. There's a phone number right there. Just so conveniently put. We hope you guys have a great and amazing day, and we'll see you on the next one.